Welcome back to my channel. We have an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to draw one of the most iconic cricketers of all time, MS Dhoni. So let's get started. I begin with the basic outline of helmet, followed by the face, eyes, nose and mouth. Begin outlining with the light pencil. Remember, the initial lines should be so light so that they can be erased later. In this, I already did a light lining pencil and then started doing a dark outlining. I always prefer a free flow sketch, but in going forward, I will be bringing tutorials on how to make sketch with the grid lines. You have to continuously refer to the reference pic to see the outlines are going correctly as per pic. Now start sketching the basic outline of Dhoni's face, followed by eyes, ears, mouth. Now let's add some details to the hair and beard. MS Dhoni is known for his distinct hairstyle and beard. Use short and quick strokes to create the texture of the hair. For the beard, use a combination of light and dark shading to give it a realistic look. Pay attention to the direction of the hair growth. Shading is crucial to bring your drawing to life. Blend it well. With this, our beautiful drawing of MS Dhoni is ready, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do subscribe for more tutorials.